Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing the fabric and your paint. This saves repeats later. Clean the surface and let it dry, because paint adheres better to lint-free fibers. Shake the Scribbles 3D bottle 30 to 60 seconds so pigments mix evenly, then test on scrap to confirm flow. Cut the nozzle to the size of the line you need and hold the bottle at a 45 degrees angle. This gives steady control and prevents blobs as you begin your first strokes. Once you have your baselines down, build texture by adding successive ridges. This is how you get a true three-dimensional effect and why patience matters. Work in small sections so the paint doesn't skin over before you shape it. Wait about 10 to 20 minutes between thin layers. If you want thicker dimension, add more time. Use a toothpick or small silicone tool to lift peaks or pop bubbles and make sure to smooth edges so the final shape is crisp and durable. Finish by letting the piece air dry for 24 hours so solvents evaporate, then heat set to lock the paint. Use an iron on the cotton setting for 3 to 5 minutes with a pressing cloth, because heat bonds the polymer to fabric. After heat setting, test adhesion with a gentle wash. If you notice lifting or cracking, reheat with the cloth and avoid tumble drying. If paint bleeds during application, blot excess immediately and reshape once dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.